Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've got a lot of positive feedback from my Godzilla and Kong Friday Night Funkin' designs. So for today, I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw a King Ghidorah Friday Night Funkin' character. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Friday Night Funkin' Ghidorah, we're going to begin with the face. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and it's going to come down. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes down and up. And I'm going to do this just a couple more times. Kind of give him like a toothy mouth. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then you want to bring it up. Over here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come back like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line back towards the face. And starting here, we're going to draw another line that's going to go out a little farther, and then it's going to come back for those horns. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then in. One more here, and then one final one right there. Right here, I'm going to color in a tall black oval. I'm going to do another one here. Then I'm going to make some diagonal lines above it to make them look angry. Next, we also want to put two little lines right here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down, and another one here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down to make the next face. We'll draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to add a few more of those little zigzag lines in here. Right here, we'll draw a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come up to here and then back just a little bit. Next, we're going to make another one that goes out to here. Then we're just going to bring it back a little bit. Starting here, I'm going to add those three little spikes here. Then right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come right to here, and we're going to leave some space. I'll add an eye here, and then an eye right here. We'll add those two diagonal lines for the eyebrows, and then two dots for the nose. I'm going to make this neck just a little bit longer here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up, and another one's going to go down and then up to here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down for that third head. I'm going to make some of those little zigzag lines right here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, and that's going to come out to here. We come to a point and then bring it back. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out, and then come back to here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. And right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and in, out and out and in one more time for those spikes. Right here, I'm going to add two tall black ovals for the eyes with the diagonal lines above it for the eyebrows. Next, we're going to make two little dots for the nose. Now for this neck, I'm going to draw a line right here that's going to go down and up to here. And one right here that's going to go down and then up. Starting here, we're gonna make a line that's gonna go out, and then it's gonna come in to start the body. And then over here, we're gonna make another line that's gonna come down. Right here, I'm gonna draw a line that's gonna go out and down for the leg. Right here, I'm gonna make a line that's gonna go up, and it's gonna come down and straight across. We'll do another one that's gonna go up, down, and over. Right here, I'm gonna draw a line that's gonna go up and then into here for the foot and leg. Right here, I'm gonna draw a line that's gonna go out and then down. Starting here, we'll make a line that's gonna go up and come down for that toe, and we'll bring it over here. Make another one here, it's gonna go down and then over. Next, I'm gonna bring this line up, and we'll just connect this part of the leg right to there. Right here, I'm gonna draw a line that's gonna go up. I want to make a line that's going to come up and then down with a point, and then one more, so it kind of looks like it's giving that little peace sign. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. We'll do another one. We're going to go down and up. We'll do one more right here. 3 little points in there. I'm going to make it come right back to the body. Inside of here, we'll add a little line that's going to curve to this point, one that curves up and down here, and then one that curves up and down here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and down. I'm going to make this line curve down and up, and this one curve down and up. I'm going to draw this line down, and that's going to come up. One more here. And one more here for some points. Then we'll go down and up here. Now in between all of these, we'll just add some little curved lines and connect them right to the body. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down to the wing. I'm going to jump over it, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and down. And then I'm just going to draw another one that does the same thing. And we're going to come right back here to the body, just so we can kind of see where the tail is. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Friday Night Funkin' King Ghidorah. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.